Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SurveyMonkey responses in projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your SurveyMonkey account. Navigate to the My Surveys section on the main dashboard. Locate the project or survey you wish to uninstall. Click on the title of the survey to open its dashboard. Once in the survey dashboard, look for the Analyze tab in the top menu. Click on the Analyze tab to access the Responses section. Review the responses to confirm you want to proceed with the uninstallation. Now, return to the main survey dashboard by clicking on the survey title again. Look for the More drop-down menu located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the More drop-down menu to reveal additional options. From this menu, choose Delete Survey to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the survey. Read the warning carefully, as this action cannot be undone. If you are certain, click on the Delete button to confirm the removal. Wait for a moment as SurveyMonkey processes your request. You will receive a confirmation message once the survey is successfully uninstalled. To remove individual responses, go to the Responses section under the Analyze tab. Select the responses you wish to delete. Click on the Delete option within the Responses section. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up window that appears. Repeat this process for any additional responses you wish to remove. Once done, return to the My Surveys section to verify the changes. Your selected surveys and responses should now be uninstalled successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.